Welcome. So today we're going to create stickers using Cricut Design Space. We're going to go to our images that we already have uploaded. As you can see here, I have a few. We're going to select one, and I'm going to show you the basics on how to actually create a sticker. So once your image appears, we're going to just upload all the images that we're going to use to create these images. And once they appear, remember to always resize them if you need to get them out of your way. So I have my two images, and I want to create kind of like a, I guess you can call like an explosion effect to this image, because to me she's just giving explosion. We're gonna do some text. I'm gonna select here different fonts. I'm gonna choose a cool one. Let's try to find a cool one. And we're going to type in living and my for the top part, because I want to kind of break my fonts up. Click here on this curve symbol here, and we're going to turn it to the right to where it creates a curve in the writing. We're going to unlock it and kind of resize it and play with it. Remember to always play with these fonts, all these settings on Design Space, because you can just have so much fun and create something unique. So again, we're just going to continue to resize them and place the writing where we want. We don't want to use cut, we want to use print. We're going to take it and we're going to change the color of it. And I'm going to keep playing with the letters to kind of get it to my liking. Now I'm going to type, best life, because she is definitely living her best life. And again, we're going to go to the curve. Instead of going right, we're going to go to the left because we want it to curve upwards. We're going to unlock it and resize it. Kind of play around with it to where we get it to kind of where we like it at. Remember to go to print on this particular project to change the color, not cut. Just going to keep playing with it. If you go to cut, it's going to cut those images, so definitely don't want to go to cut. You want to make this a print image. Just going to keep playing around with it to where we kind of got it how we want it. Next, we're going to go to shapes, and we're going to get our circle. We're going to take our circle and we're going to place it on top of the image. We're going to unlock it, and we want this whole circle. Let's arrange it to the back. We want this whole circle to have the writing and the images inside of it. So we don't want to have nothing on the outside, because this circle is what's going to be our actual sticker, if you get me. So we definitely don't want to have a gray sticker. So we're going to go to fill print, and we're going to change it to white. I know you can hardly see that white, but hey, it's there. Now, this is the most important step. We're going to group them all and then press flatten. That is the most important step. to press flatten, because that means that it's going to cut that whole circle object. So let's do a few more stickers so you can see how easy it is to really create stickers. And again, these images I found on Google. You can find one, you can make it your own, you can add to it, you can keep it as is. Let's see, this particular image I literally found on a Google search, and I'm literally going to keep it as is because I love what it's saying, I love what it's representing, so I'm definitely going to keep this sticker as is. So to do that, I'm going to do it a way that you probably haven't seen, but I'm going to duplicate this exact image and literally line it up to where it match exacts, group it, and flatten. And by us doing the flatten method, it's going to, this whole outline is going to be printed out. We don't have to create a circle because it's going to cut around that whole outline of her body. Okay, so let's do one more together so you can kind of get the idea once again. Let's just do this pink Starbucks. I mean, everyone loves Starbucks. It's like the it thing. So why not create a sticker with Starbucks? So we're going to take the actual Starbucks PNG file, and we're going to simply just duplicate it and place it on top of each other, group them together, and flatten it. Again, this is my method of doing it. There are 100 ways you can probably do this, but hey, this is what works for me. So now we're going to create this outline, this pink outline. And it's really easy, like it's super easy. So we're going to go to shapes and we're going to select the square, and we are going to, let me see, duplicate it. Let's change the color because we don't want a gray square. Let's make it pink. Wait a minute. Let me put the pink. Yeah, let's do it like this. So we're going to click arrange, send to the front, and we're going to, because we just want the outline of the pink, you guys. So make sure you line it up to make your border as thick as you want it. Group it and press slice. Let's get rid of that. Oh, wait, you know what? Oh well, I'll show you in a minute. So now we're going to unlock this and we're going to change it to 6.75 and the height to 9.25, because those are the sizes that Cricut lets you cut on the type of machine that I have. So let's change it. You know what? Let me show you something else. Let me show you 9.25 and 6.75. You can always change the numbers up as well and make it go long ways. Like let's say if you're doing a project and you want your square to be long ways instead of, you know, the opposite, hot dog style. And then you will take your, it's just as easy as placing your images inside. Oh wait, uh-oh, you guys, I messed up. I am getting ahead of myself. The good thing about Cricut, you can always undo. We need another shape. I deleted a square when I shouldn't have. Hey, it's no mistakes in crafting. Crafting is fun. So pretty much, let's just get this out of the way and let me quickly make the inside of our paper. again, this is how I do mine. I'm going to line it up to where it's inside of the square exactly, only on the inside sections. And once I got it there, I'm going to lock that bad boy back. I'm going to go to print, and I'm going to make it white. Now this is what we're going to put our stickers on. So we're literally just going to take our images, arrange center front, and we're just going to place all our images on top of it. Again, arrange center front, place your images. You can turn your images, you can make them slanted, however you need to fit your images on there, you can do it. This is just an easy way to do it. Again, you can press Control and you can click each image one at a time, and then you can like move them over, or you can move them one by one, whichever way works for you. But literally, if you do it this method, I'm telling you, your stickers will come out perfect. Let's hit make it. So we have our stickers all, again, all on one mat. Ignore the bottom part. Yeah. I do a lot of projects on one, but basically all on one mat. You literally have all your stickers on one mat. They're going to print out in the shape that it is, and they're going to turn out amazing. And I'll show you in the end how they're going to turn out. So you're going to press continue, and then you're going to send to printer. Thanks so much for watching. Please like this videos, comment for more tutorials, and I'll show you the end results.